3 people are dead after Arlington police say a suspected drunk driver slammed into their car. 3 women, including the driver inside this dark sedan, were killed. A 4th person, an unidentified man, is expected to survive. The other driver, 38-year-old Eldrick Westbrook, is facing 3 counts of intoxication manslaughter. Fox 4's Joangel Concepcion talked to bystanders who watched the entire thing unfold.
There are moments you wish you could forget.
I didn't think that they were going to die like this. Crazy, wrap around the pole and just die like that.
And times you will always remember.
I'm sorry. I just never been that close to death before.
Angel Monroe and her cousin Terry Holmes were traveling southbound on I-20 Service Road near the Matlock intersection shortly after 2 Saturday morning. Monroe says she noticed a speeding car going southbound on Matlock headed right in her direction.
He had to be going 60, 70. He had to be.
Monroe says she hit the brakes. The car barely missed them.
I just know that last minute, if I didn't slam on my brakes at the second that I did, that would have been us, and we probably all would have been hit.
The close call isn't why Monroe and Holmes are upset. It's that the car next to them with 4 people inside didn't see the other driver coming.
Because there's no way they could have had a chance to react. There's no way, because I have an SUV. They wouldn't have seen him.
Police say the impact spun the car and sent it flying into a traffic pole. 3 people died. The 4th was treated for non-life-threatening injuries at a local hospital. Police say 38-year-old Eldrick Westbrook caused the crash by running a red light. He's charged with 3 counts of intoxication manslaughter. Although Monroe and Holmes survived, they left the scene with broken hearts.
I'm thankful to be alive, but I still can't say that I'm okay, because we're blessed to be okay, because now those families are getting contacted that they've lost all those family members.
They now look at life very differently and hope others will too.
Love their family. Like, don't take anyone for granted. If you love them, tell them. Because those people probably didn't get the chance to say, like, I love you. They can't hug their loved ones anymore. They're gone.
Joangel Concepcion, Fox 4 News.